Hey guys! Today I want to make my hair orange or red. So that's why I start with a bleach and a glove. And the rest doesn't need any narration. You have eyes, you can see it. Please look at it. You know what? I decided to narrate after all. So as you see, it's really big, long,
Co
and in
in
Polish.
Rozczesz włosy i nałóż 2 do 3 mieszanki. Jedne na długości i końcówki włosów. Aha, only on the length and the end of the hair, I should put it. Okay, good to know, good to know. Start to potylicy i omijając, I don't know. Okay. Number 2. I'm dying. There are 2 of these. After color care.
Yes, I'm dumb.
So this obviously is not enough for all of this hair. So what I decided to okay, sorry, this is just jumping. I decided that I will first put under my hair, and then when I see how it turns out, etc., etc., I will go buy the exact same product and do the top part of my hair.
Yes, still dumb.
Could you not see that? Like, you had to be seeing how I'm doing it. You don't know how to just mix stuff.
Shake it, shake it. Shake, 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 shake.
Okay, I'm back. As you see, I have huge hair, and we will see if this will be enough for more than this section or not, but I don't think so. Let's start. Okay. What the... Did you all see that?
Yes, we did.
My first time ever coloring my hair like this, and my first time ever doing it myself.
Yeah, because they thought we are professional.
So sorry if it's sloppy or something.
No one cares.
God, this is hard. How did you do this? Yay! First part was successful. That's not good. Like, half of it is left.
Told you.
Okay, what do you say? Should I go all blonde?
Okay, here I opened the first ones because I felt like my hair was getting too hot. And here is the result. So this is on the top, and on the bottom you can see that I got this orange kind of looking tone, which I was actually very satisfied with, and that's why I didn't put the orange color on top, because I thought it looks good. So bye.